Have you ever lost your phone and felt that sudden panic? In today's English conversation, two friends talk through that exact situation, with one of them freaking out and the other helping him calm down. It's real, relatable, and packed with natural spoken English. Let's dive in and improve your English the fun way, through everyday conversations. Dude, I think I lost my phone. Wait, what? Seriously? When did that happen? I'm not even sure. I had it this morning, but now it's just gone. I tried calling it, but it's going straight to voicemail. That's weird. Are you sure it didn't just die? Did you check your backpack or your jacket? I emptied everything. Jacket pockets, backpack, even my car. It's not anywhere. When's the last time you remember using it? On the subway this morning. I was listening to music, then I put it in my jacket pocket. After that, I stopped for coffee, went straight to work. Maybe it fell out at the cafe or on the train. Did you check with the barista? Not yet. I'm thinking of going back there now. I'm just so stressed. I've got so much stuff on that phone. Man, I get it. That's the worst. Have you tried using Find My iPhone? Yeah, I did. But it says it's offline, so it's either dead or someone turned it off. All right, don't panic. Put it in lost mode so if someone turns it back on, your contact info shows up. Good call. I'll do that now. This just sucks. I feel so stupid for losing it. Don't be too hard on yourself. Stuff like this happens. Let's retrace your steps. Go to the cafe, check the subway lost and found. People do turn things in. Yeah, you're right. I just hate this feeling like everything's suddenly out of control. Totally get it. But at least it's just a phone, man. You're okay, right? Yeah, I'm fine. Just overwhelmed. We'll figure it out. Worst case, you file a police report and lock the device remotely. But let's see if someone turned it in first. Thanks, man. I really needed someone to talk me down from this. Always got your back. Let's go find that phone. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.